Hi everyone, I'm your friendly English guide, and today we're diving into a super useful grammar topic, used to. If you're an English learner at the beginner to intermediate level, this is perfect for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using it in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Okay, picture this. When I was a kid, I used to live in a small town by the sea. Every summer, my friends and I used to spend all day at the beach building sandcastles and swimming until the sun went down. But now, I live in a big city and I hardly ever see the ocean. Does that sound familiar? Maybe you used to do something fun as a child that you don't do anymore. That's exactly what used to is all about, talking about habits or situations from the past that aren't true now. Isn't that relatable? It hooks you right in because we all have those back in the day stories. All right, if you're nodding along, hit that like button, and let's break this down step by step. First things, what does used to mean and how do we form it? Used to is a way to describe repeated actions or states in the past that have changed. It's like saying, this was normal for me before, but not anymore. The form is simple. Subject plus used to plus the base form of the verb. No changes to the verb, just the basic one, like go, eat, or live. For example, I used to play football every weekend. That means I did it regularly in the past, but I don't now. Or she used to have long hair. That was her situation before, but maybe it's short now. See how easy that is? It's all about contrast between past and present. Now, let's talk about something that trips up a lot of learners, the difference between used to, be used to, and get used to. They're similar, but not the same, so pay attention here. Used to is for past habits, like I just explained, but be used to means you're accustomed to something right now. It's normal for you in the present. Form, subject plus be, am is are, plus used to plus noun or gerund. That's the ing form. Example, I'm used to waking up early. That means it's no big deal for me. I'm comfortable with it. Then there's get used to, which is about the process of becoming accustomed to something. It's often for changes. Form, subject plus get plus used to plus noun or gerund. Like, I'm getting used to my new job. It wasn't easy at first, but it's becoming normal. Quick tip. If it's a past habit that's gone, use used to. If it's something you're okay with now, be used to. If you're in the middle of adjusting, get used to. Got it? Pause the video for a second and think of your own example for each. Great, let's move on. All right, let's cover the positive, negative, and question forms of used to because you need all of them to chat naturally.
Positive. As I said, I used to live in New York. Simple and straightforward. Negative. This one can feel a bit tricky. It's didn't used to. Notice no D at the end of use. Example, I didn't used to like spicy food, but now I love it. Some people say didn't used to, but the correct way is didn't used to. Practice that one out loud. I didn't used to. Good job. Questions start with did plus subject plus used to plus base verb. Like, did you used to watch cartoons as a kid? Yes or no answers were great here. Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Let me give you some everyday examples to make this stick. Think about food. I used to eat cereal for breakfast every day, but now I prefer eggs. Or jobs. He used to work as a teacher, but now he's a doctor. Places. We used to go to the park after school. Habits. She used to smoke, but she quit last year. See? These are real-life things we all talk about. Now, repeat after me. I used to play video games all night. Nice. Did you used to have a pet? You're getting it. Common mistakes. Oh, I've seen plenty in my classes. One big one is using used to for present habits. Wrong. I used to drink coffee every morning. If you still do it, just say, I drink coffee every morning. Remember, used to means it's over. Another mistake, confusing it with be used to, like saying, I used to noisy cities, when you mean I'm used to noisy cities. Add the be if it's current. And watch the negative. Don't say I didn't used to. drop that extra D. To avoid these, think, is it past and finished? Use used to. Practice in sentences about your life. That's the best way.
Okay, time for a quick practice section. This'll take about 2 minutes. I'll ask you some questions, pause for you to answer out loud, then give the correct response. Ready? First, in this exercise, you have to complete sentence with used to. Example, Dennis doesn't smoke anymore, but he used to smoke 40 cigarettes a day. Now, try to solve this questions yourself in 15 seconds. Well, it's time to check the answers. Okay, it was a bit easy. Try this exercise now. Now you have to ask a questions. Example, I know he doesn't play a piano now, but did he used to play? Now try it yourself. You have 25 seconds. Well, it's already time. Let's check the answers. Phew, we've covered a lot. To sum it up, used to is for past habits or states that aren't true anymore. Form it with the base verb, use didn't use to for negatives and did you use to for questions. Don't mix it up with be used to for current comfort or get used to for adjusting. Avoid those common slips by practicing real examples from your life. You did great today. Grammar like this opens up so many stories you can share in English. Keep practicing, maybe tell a friend something you used to do. If you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments, what did you use to do as a kid? I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.